Good morning, evening, and afternoon. My name is Yeshua, and welcome to the Shofar in Hidden Hollow. Oh boy, it's been a little bit of a bumpy ride in this part of the world. Instead of snow like Nashville, Louisville, and all these other states had, we had frozen ice and freezing rain and sleet the whole time. Brutally cold. This morning, warming up some. As you can tell, I'm slipping on the ice. Look at that ice right there, man. Look at that. That's what we had to deal with today in the Southeast. Man, oh man. A lot to learn from this past week. You know, this is just the start of what is to come. Every winter is going to get worse and worse from here on out. Look at that. Look at that. Freezing rain. That's what you need to watch out for. Right there. Look at that. You can see the glare and the reflection in that. Biblically, to start off with, Matthew 11 states about making sure that your heart is in the right place. Don't quote me on this exactly where, but you know, the noble refused to come meet Jesus where he was. And Yeshua, or Jesus, used this noble, Yochanan, is pronunciated correctly, on why you need to walk your faith personally. No one can walk your faith personally either. So with that being said, there goes firewood. More kindling firewood. I have learned that this is no different than the calamities of Sodom and or Gomorrah. But if you go through Matthew 11, yet again, he says what is to come is worse than anything Sodom and or Gomorrah has been through or went through. Keep your lanterns filled and have extra oil through these hard times. Especially through this cold. If you're struggling with areas like heavy snow and longer winters, make sure to have plenty of firewood kindling generator. You know, most importantly, fresh water. Obviously, I've been blessed by the Most High to have this running natural creek. Sometimes, whenever it's warmer, you can see the not minnows. What are they called? I forget the name of it, but I'll have to show it on a different video. But no, beautiful, beautiful snow, I've been saying. But we've been preparing for the ice, making sure everything's okay, making sure my water's still running. You know, I mean, it's a beautiful sight to see. Look at that old machete. That's a different story for a different time. That wasn't even done by me. Safety first is what I say. But no, make sure you have plenty of kindling wood, water, food, sanitation, extra parts, depending on where you're at. But yeah, no, just be safe out there, y'all. As me and my family and Homestead Mag Group are preparing, not just for this week, but for the future. But yeah, this is what you need to look out for right here on the road. Prime example of what freezing rain does. That's what the weather's been talking about. Oh, Minnesota, you be safe up there with those Somali pirates and exploding trees due to the cold temperatures. Oh, look at this. Look at that. All that ice. Look at all of that. Me mountain goating up a freaking hillside with iced everything. Smart of me, right? Smart of me, right? Well, phone dropped in the water. Put a name to a face. Shabbat shalom.